Hi guys, welcome on the HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to fix game when not visible in Google Play Store in your HUAWEI P10 Lite. In the first step, we go to the Play Store and try to download something. It can be Teamfight Tactics. And we see that, but we can download it. To do that, we must go back to the main menu. There in the right side, tap to our photo. Go to the setting. Now family, and there we have partner controllers, and we must change it from PEGI 3, PEGI 16. Click understand, save, and go back to our game, Teamfight Tactics, and now we can install it on our HUAWEI P10 Lite. Thanks for watching, that's all.